Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to tell you guys an interesting fact about Harry Potter, which I believe you guys won't know. Daniel Radcliffe was allergic to his Harry Potter glasses. He had an allergy to nickel, and they were quickly replaced with hypoallergenic specs. And, did you know that his glasses had no lenses? This was to stop the reflection from anything happening behind the scenes. The glass lens was added in post-production. That's all for this 1 minute. If you guys loved this video, support us by subscribing the channel and liking this video. See you guys in next one. Till then, take care, and peace out.